With so much information out there available about real estate, I'm surprised that I still keep hearing the same misinformation over and over again. Hi, I'm Maureen Landis with Pearson Smith Realty in Ashburn, Virginia, and today I wanted to share with you the top 5 myths about residential real estate. Myth number 1, I need 20% to buy. I'm always surprised to hear people say that they still believe they need a 20% down payment to buy a home. Today, there are loan programs as low as 0%. FHA loans require only 3.5% usually, and conventional loans as little as 3 or 5%. 20% down is excellent if you can do it, but if you can't, that does not mean you can't buy a home right now. Myth number 2, I'll never qualify to buy a home. The question is, how do you know? People are often shocked they can qualify to buy a home now. You don't need to have over 800 as your credit score to qualify for a home mortgage. Waiting only increases the cost of home ownership. From condos to townhomes, even single family homes, there are still options available that are affordable. And you can get clarity about your ability to buy by speaking with a good lender who can help find the best program for you. And if you can't qualify, they can help you come up with a plan to do so in the shortest possible time. My number one reason for telling people to talk to a lender is to actually find out what you can qualify for. Sometimes it's more than you think. I'm happy to make a few recommendations if you need help with finding a good lender to speak with. Myth number 3 is often what sellers believe. I need to price my home with enough room to negotiate. This belief can cost sellers money. A new home on the market gets the most activity in the first 30 days. So if a home is overpriced, it will sit. The longer it sits, the less money sellers make. A good agent knows this. They know how to price a home, stage it, and aggressively market it to help you get top dollar in the shortest time possible and negotiate on your behalf to get that price. Myth number 4, the less commission I pay, the more I'll make. We've been in a seller's market for the past couple years, and a good seller's market always brings out low-cost real estate brokerages offering discounts, and these discount brokers like to propel this myth. The truth is, agents who excel in this business don't discount services because they don't have to. We know how to price your home, aggressively market it, which will net sellers more money, and it all boils down to you get what you pay for. And myth number 5, all agents are the same. This could not be further from the truth. As in every profession and organization, there are those who are committed to excellence and devote time and energy to being highly skilled problem solvers and true professionals. Others simply do the minimum to get by. Plus, all of the licensed agents in the US, more than half do less than 3 deals per year. So working with a full-time agent with an extensive marketing plan and strong negotiating skills and work ethic and professionalism will ultimately put more money in your pocket in less time. As always, feel free to reach out to me about anything home-related, community, or real estate. And I'm Maureen Landis with Pearson Smith Realty in Ashburn, and I'll see you next time.